iSign understands that technologies are rapidly changing. Marketing solutions must acknowledge, incorporate, and embrace these changes as opportunities, especially as they relate to the wealth of customer data that can now be collected, analyzed, and acted upon. There are now over 6 billion cell phones in use globally, and advertising is migrating to mobile at a rate of over 5% a year. The average mobile user spends over 4 hours a day on their mobile device, and over 60% of all shoppers now shop with a mobile device. We must recognize the potential that smartphones and tablets bring to the digital signage space. It is no secret that intelligent devices have changed the way we interact with our local environment. Cost-effective mass marketing can now be intelligently targeted to engage the consumer at the point of sale. iSign's Smart Antenna not only allows messaging in the form of coupons, videos, and invitations to loyalty programs, it also collects comprehensive metrics about consumer behavior. From a business analytics perspective, the ability to track the breadcrumbs left by consumers as they move from one media to another will have a great deal to say about their behaviors and how they can be engaged. Relevant data can now be specifically targeted to consumers based not only on their interests, but also on their proximity. Attract, transact, measure. Proximity equals relevancy. A consumer is more likely to act on a message if it's relevant and close to a store. With consumers able to compare prices on the go, retailers are looking to mobile to re-engage consumers at a critical point in the purchase decision-making process. With iSign, retailers can install smart antennas to send tailored messages to mobile devices when a shopper draws near. This means that a value prop can be sent to customers while they're standing in front of a specific product, as they contemplate entering a store, or as they're sitting in their cars in your drive-through lane. No apps to download, no searches. And with no printed coupons, it would be difficult to imagine a greener advertising solution. iSign's technology enables proximity marketing by utilizing Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to interact with mobile devices within a certain radius. When a customer travels within range, a message is sent to their mobile device. When the customer agrees or opts in, the offer appears on their device screen. Or if they connect via iSign's Wi-Fi open access point, they connect to the content through your landing page. The National Mobile Network demonstrates an opt-in rate of 20 to 30% by consumers in proximity of the point of sale. This permission-based functionality translates into customer peace of mind, yet provides businesses with the big data to understand consumer trends in unprecedented detail. Big data not only identifies existing trends more clearly, but can discern the earliest stirrings of what is likely to become a trend, even before customers know it themselves. Here's how it works. A trip to the outdoor mall. This busy excursion consisted of many stores visited, many items purchased. The iSign Smart Antenna detects the young man's smartphone. What better way to enjoy a break from all the shopping? A coupon is received, something they both can enjoy. 2 coffees for the price of 1. Advancements at the filling station have provided consumers with unrivaled convenience. With the ability to pay at the pump, one no longer needs to stray too far from one's vehicle. This isn't the best news for the on-site convenience store. iSign technology allows the retailer to reach these travelers and remind them of the goodness that is just within reach. An offer received. Breath mints, 2 for 1 with that fill-up. Rewards that bring back foot traffic. Offers that bring in customers. The iSign proprietary platform allows businesses to effectively reach the customer, encourages the transaction, and then allows that information to be recorded, stored, and measured, enabling retailers and brands to better understand the customer. Through insightful data collection, information can be quantified and analyzed, helping you make the decisions that will positively impact your business and maximize your return on investment. Identifying the needs and behaviors of consumers in an intelligent and scientific way allows businesses to establish relevance and cultivate relationships through appropriate, specific, targeted, and ultimately effective campaigns and offers. Attract, transact, measure. Measure your marketing and advertising efforts and make better informed decisions to increase sales, customer loyalty, and ROI. This trip to a favorite fast food franchise was just going to be for beverages. But an extraordinary offer has brought about a change of heart. Who in their right mind could resist fries with that shake? Data-driven messaging through the smart antenna isn't always about coupons and discounts. Sometimes it's about enriching the consumer shopping experience. This shopping trip is all about her. Our valiant hero exhibits the patience of a saint. He doesn't mind waiting. Suddenly, he realizes that there is something here for him as well. Before today, he had not been aware of all this place had to offer. Another powerful feature of the smart antenna technology is its potential for integration with loyalty programs, which in themselves have become vital sources of consumer data. Users can interact with a loyalty program using the web browser on their phone or tablet after connecting to the smart antenna over Wi-Fi. Web content can include loyalty program sign-up forms and profile pages where members can edit their account information anytime they're connected to any smart antenna. Members can also log in to track any reward points that may be offered through the loyalty program. The smart antennas will store loyalty program account changes locally and then pass these on to the iSign back office upon their next check-in. If loyalty members are willing to provide their phone number when joining, they can elect to receive additional retail offers. Points for discovery can be awarded whenever the member's mobile device is within proximity to the smart antenna. Customer polls and product surveys are effective and efficient ways to discover what is working and where there is room for improvement. The Smart Antenna database and the iSign backend both include polling support to facilitate the creation and management of user polls. Operators simply specify a poll name and then create a series of multiple choice questions offering several possible responses for each. Operators can then develop mobile web content that shows the poll questions and answers to users. Loyalty points, rewards, and coupons are some of the ways to incentivize users into taking part in polling. iSign has a unique go-to market strategy which will enable its customers to better understand their market and drive more value into their businesses. iSign provides business intelligence that combines effective content delivery with flexible and intuitive data capture capability, and it costs a fraction of a penny per impression. An unparalleled solution that increases your abilities while saving you time. Deploy campaigns in hours, not weeks, and capture responses instantly. A solution scaled and customized to fit your needs. Let your creative juices flow. We will build it. They will respond. A solution that simply performs. Influence consumer behavior and realize millions of interactions instantly. A conscious commitment to being green, reducing waste with digital marketing, the clear choice. A solution where the collected data can be quantified and analyzed, helping you make the decisions that will impact your business. A solution that costs 100 times less than traditional marketing. Lower costs plus higher response rates equals increased ROI. That's business intelligence. Proximity equals relevancy. A consumer is more likely to act on a message if it is relevant and close to them. In today's world, consumers continue to be bombarded. iSign cuts through the clutter. Turn window shoppers into buyers. Turn buyers into loyal customers. And allow their behavior metrics to inspire campaigns and offers of even more relevancy. Attract, transact, measure.
For more information, visit isignmedia.com.